I'm giving you 2 free tonal sound effect folders that I promise will completely change the way you build the music in your videos. First is this new cinematic major drone in all 12 keys. This drone is made up of 3 elements. First is a live piano performance run through a variety of effects and tape machines. Second is a live cello performance, a very light touch of the bow, giving this breathy and airy atmospheric feel. And third is Foley, recorded in the woods to almost heighten the nostalgic feel of sound of birds and wind flowing through all the trees, running through a bunch of old analog gear. And this drone comes in all 12 musical keys, so you'll be able to match this up with any song. Watch me use this drone in the key of D to set the scene for my video and then slowly introduce my licensed song. It's easy as that. It's crazy because it feels like the same song. These drones will add so much emotional depth to your films and tons of flexibility just weaving in and out of songs. Now, this next one might be my favorite. This is a tonal piano hit. Just one sound, but it builds so much anticipation just like this. We created it with this wild upright piano. This piano was epic. Like, I couldn't stop playing it when I was in the studio. It had so much personality and it felt like magic every single time it was being played. These tonal hits are a moment, y'all. And you already know they come in all 12 musical keys, so you'll be able to match this up with any song. Like, you could drop it in your timeline when the groom looks up to see his bride for the very first time. Or you could put it in front of this. Or this. Or my personal favorite, build something up to a dramatic stop and then hit your audience with a piano hit and title. You could literally use this for whatever you want. So if you want these sounds, click the link down below to get them and I'll send them right over to you. Both of these sounds, the drones and the piano hits, are actually just a tiny taste of what's coming in the brand new Chapters film score collection releasing August 26th. If you don't already know Chapters, they are an indie band known for their cinematic, emotional music. But beyond that, they are composers and storytellers at heart, and they really actually have a heart for the filmmaker. Yeah, it's super rare. They care about you. They aren't just musicians. They're not just making songs, they're creating scores that carry weight and texture and deep emotional resonance. I teamed up with them for this project a couple months ago, and man, we knew we wanted to build the most intentional, best sounding filmmaker first music library out there and make it fully customizable in all 12 keys, giving you complete creative control in your videos. We are freaking hard at work getting ready for the drop, but if you would like some more updates, an exclusive discount code for the launch, and just more behind the scenes footage of the process of making this, just join the waitlist in the link in the description. So how would I actually go about using these sounds? Let me just give you an example. Okay, here we are, a blank timeline in Final Cut Pro. These sounds work with any video editing software: Final Cut, Premiere Pro, After Effects, CapCut, the desktop version, pretty much anything. So I'm gonna go to Artlist, one of the many music licensing websites out there, and man, let's just listen to some of these. Okay, I really like this one, super simple. It could totally work for this example. Let me download this one and bring this song into our timeline. So the song sounds great, but maybe I want a little bit more of an intro. Let me just show you how I would use these free sounds to enhance this. So let's say I want a 20-second intro, right? That fits for the film that I'm trying to create. So I would go to these free sounds, and then first, and probably most importantly, I would find the key to this song. How do I do that? I'm gonna be using the free app Auto Key. Basically, you just let this thing play out and it will tell you the key to the song. It kind of works like Shazam. Boom. D major. Next thing I'm gonna do is go to these two sounds, go to Forest, the drone, and bring D major into the timeline. Boom. Let's see how that transition sounds. I mean, it sounds like an intro to a song, which is crazy. And let's see how the relationship between this drone and this song. Here it comes. Seamless. It's so seamless. I turned the drone a little bit down. Oh my gosh, dude. That's insane. So how about this? Maybe I want to introduce my film with a little piano hit. So piano ping, the Forest drone comes in, and then the licensed song comes in. I'm gonna make these just turquoise so you can tell the difference. Here's the licensed song. Here are the two sounds. Piano hit, drones coming in. Maybe we'll do another piano hit to introduce the song. Here it comes. It's insane. Guys, this is so cool. And more of the piano starts. Dude. So fun. Super easy example. That's it. Again, if you want both of these free tonal sound effects packs, just click the link below and I'll send them right over to you. And if you want exclusive behind the scenes of how we made them and discounts for the full chapters film score collection dropping August 26th, make sure you join the waitlist too. Guys, music matters. Let's build stories people can feel. Peace.